everyone, welcome back. Let's learn few more interesting tricks. But before I teach you, let me do all these problems. Now you must be wondering, how could I do all these problems so fast, isn't it? But don't worry, even you can amaze your friends by learning this trick. So let's learn how to multiply any number by a number having only nines. For example, 9, 99 or 999, etc. Now if you see, all these questions I have divided into 3 cases. So let's discuss each and every case in detail. Now in case 1, if you see, I have equal number of digits in multiplicand and multiplier, right? Here also I have 4 digits and here also I have 4 digits. So you have to reduce this number by 1. So you get 55 and then you have to apply all from 9 and last from 10 to this number. So 5 plus 4 gives you 9 and 6 plus 4 gives you 10. So that is your answer. Same method you have to apply here. Reduce this number by 1. So you get 6781 and then apply all from 9 and last from 10. So 6 plus 3 gives you 9. 7 plus 2 gives you 9. 8 plus 1 gives you 9. And 2 plus 8 gives you 10. Alright. Now in case 2, if you notice, you have more number of digits in your multiplier than your multiplicand. Okay, here you have 3 digits, here you have 2. Similarly, here also you have 4 and here you have 2. So now in this case, first we make the number of digits equal in both multiplicand and multiplier. So I have 3 digits here, so I will add 1 0 here. And now this question becomes same like the previous case. So we apply the same method. So 23 minus 1 is 22 and apply all from 9 last from 10 in the complete number. Take 0 also into that. So 0 plus 9 gives you 9, 2 plus 7 gives you 9 and 3 plus 7 gives you 10. Same thing you have to apply here. You have 4 digits here. So let's make this also 4 digits by adding 2 zeros. Now 75 minus 1 is 74. And 0 plus 9 gives you 9. Then this 0 plus 9 gives you 9. 7 plus 2 gives you 9. And 5 plus 5 gives you 10. Now case 3. Now in this case, if you see, the number of digits in multiplier is less than the number of digits in the multiplicand. So here what we do is, see here you have 2 digits. So underline these 2 digits. Alright. So this is your extra digit. Now in this we add 1. So this becomes 4. Now you have to subtract 4 from 376. Like in the previous cases, what we did? We just subtracted 1, right? But in this case is little twisted, but it's easy only. Only the first part there is a change, and that change is like you have to add 1 to the remaining digit, the extra digit, and you have to subtract that number with the whole number, right? So here 3 plus 1 is 4. Now 376 minus 4 will give you 372, and then again apply all from 9 last from 10, but only to the underlined digit, right? So 7 plus 2 gives you 9 and 6 plus 4 gives you 10. So same trick you have to apply here. You have one digit here, so underline one digit here. So this is your extra digit. Now 2 plus 1 gives you 3. Okay, so 24 minus 3 is 21. And now you have to apply all from 9, last from 10. Now since you have only one digit here, so you have to subtract this from 10. So 4 plus 6 gives you 10. So that is your answer. Now let's revise all the cases once again by taking one more example. So what was case 1? Case 1 was when number of digits in multiplicand and multiplier were same, right? For example, 36 and 99, they both have equal number of digits. So let's multiply these two. So what was the first step? Reduce the multiplicand by 1. So 36 becomes 35 and apply all from 9, last from 10 to the multiplicand. So you get 3 plus 6 is 9 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So if you see, we are getting answer in two parts, right? So this 35 is your first part of the answer and 64 is the second part of the answer, right? In every case you will see the same thing. You will get the answer in two parts. Now let's see the second case. So in case 2, you have more number of digits in multiplier as compared to multiplicand. So let's say 27 and 9999. Let's multiply these two numbers. So here, what is the first step? You have to make the number of digits same in both multiplicand and multiplier, right? By placing zeros. So here you have 4 digits. So let's make this also 4 digits by writing 2 more zeros, right? Now this question becomes exactly same like the previous case. So reduce this 27 by 1, so you get 26 and apply all from 9, last from 10. So 0 plus 9 gives you 9, 0 plus 9 gives you 9, 2 plus 7 gives you 9 and 7 plus 3 gives you 10. So here also if you see, we got the answer in two parts. So this was the first part which we got after reducing 27 by 1. We got 26. And second part we always get by applying the rule all from 9, last from 10. Now let's see case 3. Now in case 3, you have less number of digits in multiplier as compared to multiplicand. So let's take 147 multiplied by 99. So here you have to see, you have how many digits in multiplier? You have 2 digits, right? So underline 2 digits here. So this 1 is your extra digit. Okay, so what you have to do, add 1 to the extra digit and then subtract it from the multiplicand. So add 1 to this extra digit, you get 2. So 147 minus 2 gives you 145. So this is your first part of the answer, right? This is the first part of the answer. And for the second part, apply all from 9 and last from 10 to the underlined digit. Alright, so 4 plus 5 is 9 and 7 plus 3 is 10. So this is your answer. I hope you have understood all the 3 cases. Now don't forget, only with practice you can master these tricks. So these are few practice questions. So practice them and amaze your friends by doing all these calculations in just few seconds. So I hope you like this video. See you very soon with few more interesting tricks. Until then, goodbye, take care.